Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a foggy tinted window effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste that video or photo. On the second video I'm going to add in blur. I'm going to add in a lot of blur to it, and I'm going to go to nature and see if I can add maybe like a rain or like a fog. I kind of want to find water droplets. Maybe this rainy season one looks the best. Oh, I forgot to add it to the where is it? Here, to the actual video. I don't know why it's lagging so much. Hold on. There we go. Then you're going to go to mask and you're going to select rectangle and you're going to kind of focus on the window part here. It's not going to be perfect because I can't really shape it that much, but I'm just going to feather it out so it doesn't look super weird. I don't know why I'm still seeing the rainy season on that one. I think I'm just... Oh, because I feathered it out too much, that's why. I'm going to go to basic and I'm going to go to blend and I'm going to also adjust the opacity here. Then I am going to right click on it, create compound clip, go to mask and select a heart shape. And I'm just going to reverse that and I'm just going to place it here. And I can't see anything else because the color is pretty similar, so go to adjustments. Adjust the temp to maybe like this blue, or yeah, this blue greenish for like a window tint, and maybe adjust the brightness a little, or just leave it actually. I'm also going to adjust the contrast and I'm just going to go back to the mask here and I'm going to feather it out so the edges aren't so rough. You can kind of see it. It's a little bit hard to see, but you can definitely see the mask shape. I'm going to go here to the main video and I'm just going to adjust the brightness on it and like the temps and maybe like the saturation so you guys can kind of see the heart shape there. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to turn down the adjust the temps a little bit more so you guys can kind of see that heart shape. Maybe adding a little bit of shadow to that. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!